Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Would you like a simple and foolproof way to impress your friends and family at your next dinner party? Let me introduce you to this chocolate fondue fountain from CHOLISM. It's a 4-tier, 3-pound capacity stainless steel tableside chocolate fountain. But it doesn't have to just be used for chocolate. You can use it for barbecue sauce, nacho cheese, and caramel. So I decided to try this fountain at my family dinner, and we turned it into a caramel fountain, and it was such a hit. It's very simple to use and easy to clean, and I love the fact that it keeps the chocolate or caramel or whatever you're using warm so that it's constantly moving and it doesn't get slowed down or clogged. It has 2 simple operating knobs. One turns on the heater and one turns on the motor. It comes with directions, and it even comes with helpful recipes and helpful tips and cleaning and maintenance tips as well. So this little fountain does not take up a lot of space, but it really packs a punch. I'm telling you, when you set this up for your next dessert section of a dinner party, your guests will be so entertained and blown away by how much fun it is to dip their little food goodies in the chocolate or the caramel or even some nacho cheese if you wanted to use it for a game night or a large party with all sorts of different appetizers. It really could be the centerpiece of any gathering. I'm very happy with the way that it's made, how easy it is to use, and easy to clean. It doesn't take up too much space, but it really is a centerpiece for sure. And that is my point of view.